Hello children. Today we are going to see estimation in fundamental operations. Which are the fundamental operations? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Now the question given here, you can see that you have to find the estimated sum of the numbers given here by rounding of them to the nearest thousands. So each of the numbers given here, you have to round off to the nearest thousands and then find out the estimated sum. Okay, so here you can see the numbers given are 2873 and 3210. Okay, now when this number is to be rounded off to the nearest thousands, you know that in thousands you have three zeros. So how we will make it easier, that is three digits you have to underline and you will write three zeros. Okay, in thousands you have three zeros, three digits to be underlined, three zeros you have written. Okay, now out of the underlined digits, see the number given at the higher place. So here 8 is given in the higher place, and that digit you need to check if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Then you have to add 1 to the previous number, otherwise not. So here 8 is given, that means the condition is satisfied. So if you add 1 to the previous number, then it becomes 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, similarly here the second number, 3 digits to be underlined, 3 zeros you will write, and the digit to at the higher place is 2. Condition is not satisfied, so the number given prior to that is 3 only. So 3 remains as it is. Okay. Now you have to find the sum. That is, we will add these numbers and see what we are getting. That is 6000, which is your estimated sum. Okay. See the next question given here. The numbers given are 4624. Second number is 1259. Now let us round off them to the nearest thousands. So here three digits to be underlined, three zeros. The digit at the higher place is 6 and the condition is satisfied. Okay, the digit, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you can say that the condition is satisfied and 1 is to be added. So here 6 is there. So condition satisfied. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Right? And now for the second number, that is 3 zeros and the digit at the higher place is 2. Condition is not satisfied, so 1 remains as it is, and now you have to add them up. So what is the answer? That is 6000. Okay, see the next question given here, that is 7749 and 2227. If we round off them to the nearest thousands, then 3 zeros first step, the digit at the higher place is 7, condition is satisfied, so 7 plus 1 becomes 8. And now again for this number, 3 zeros, the digit at the higher place is 2, condition is not satisfied, so 2 remains as it is. Okay, now when we add them, here you are with the answer as 10,000. Okay, now see this question. Here the question given is find the estimated difference. So now you have to go for the difference of the numbers by rounding them off to the nearest thousands. Okay, and here the number is 4632. The second one is 2142. As we had done in the previous question, the numbers you have to round off to the nearest thousands. So in thousand, three zeros, three digits to be underlined, and the digit at the higher place is 6. So condition is satisfied. So the number given prior to that is 4. So 4 plus 1, when you do it, it comes to 5. Right? Now the second one, that is 3 zeros. First step. Second step, this is 1. Condition is not satisfied. 2 remains as it is. Okay. Now here you have to find out the difference. That means the difference of these two number minus. Okay. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. and you are done. Now come to the next question. Say here this is 5743 and the second number is 3112. Now let's round off to the nearest thousands. 3 zeros, 3 digits to be underlined, 3 zeros. The digit at the higher place is 7. Condition is satisfied. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Now the next one, that is 3 digits to be underlined, 3 zeros. The digit at the higher place is 1. Condition is not satisfied. 3 remains as it is. And let's go with the subtraction part. So here you have 3000 as the answer. Let's see the third one, that is 7884. This is 4293 and let's round off to the nearest thousands. So 3 digits to be underlined, 3 zeros. The digit at the higher place is 8. Condition satisfied. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Okay. Now here for the next question, 3 zeros. The digit at the higher place is 2. Condition is not satisfied. 4 remains as it is. And we go for the subtraction part and you have the answer as 4000. Right? So this question, find the estimated product of the following numbers by rounding of multiplicand and multiplier to nearest thousands and tens respectively. That means the multiplicand is to be round off to the nearest thousands, whereas multiplier is to be rounded off to the nearest tens. Okay, here this will be the multiplicand and this is the multiplier, as you know. Now the number given is 3846 and the second number, that is you are given 32. First step, that is multiplicand, you have to round off to the nearest thousands. So in thousands, 3 zeros. So we will write 3 zeros and the digit at the higher place is 8. Condition is not satisfied. 3 remain, condition is satisfied. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Fine. Now here this number is to be rounded off to the nearest tens. In tens you have 1 0. Okay, so first step, that is 1 digit to be underlined, 1 zeros. The digit underlined you have to check. If it is 5 6 7 8 9, then the condition is satisfied and you will add 1 to the previous number, otherwise not. So here the condition is not satisfied, so 3 remains as it is. Okay, and now this is the product, that is the multiplication. You have to do it. Now in multiplication, you know that the number of zeros you have to write it as it is. That is here total number of zeros we have 4. So I will write here 4 zeros, first step. And then the numerals only are to be multiplied. That is 4 threes are 12. And you are done. Let's see the next question. That is here you have 5743 and the multiplier is 56. This one you have to round off to the nearest thousands. In thousands, 3 zeros. The digit at the higher place is 7. Condition satisfied. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. And this is to be rounded off to the nearest tens. In tens, 1 0. 1 digit underlined, 1 0. The underlined digit is, you can see the numbers of 5 6 7 8 8 9. Okay, so the condition is satisfied. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6 and we have to find out the product. So write the total number of zeros, that is 3 plus 1, 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, and the numerals when we multiply 6 6 are 36 and you are done. The next question, I think you will be able to do it on your own, right? Now see the next question. Find the estimated quotient of the following by rounding of dividend and divisor to nearest thousands and tens respectively. That is, the dividend you have to round off to the nearest thousands, whereas divisor you have to round off to the nearest tens. Fine. Now here this is 4872. This number we have to round off to the nearest thousands. In thousands, 3 zeros, 3 digits to be underlined and 3 zeros. The digit at the higher place is 8 and the condition is satisfied. So 4 plus 1 becomes 5. First step. Okay. Now let's see the next number, that is 19 given here, and this you have to round off to the nearest tens. So one digit to be underlined and 10 you have to write, and then the condition is satisfied. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Okay. So here this becomes 2, and now we have to go for the division part. You have to find out the estimated quotient. So here when 5000 is divided by 20, what will you get? This 0 will go away. 500 divided by 2, so you will have it as 250, which is your estimated quotient. Right? Now come to the next question, that is here you have 3742, which you have to round off to the nearest thousands. Thousands, 3 zeros, and the digit at the higher place is 7. So condition is satisfied. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. The next one, that is 21. This you have to round off to the nearest tens. In tens, 1 digit to be underlined because 10, and 10 you will write here. The underlined digit, you can see that condition is not satisfied. So 2 remains as it is. Okay. Now this is the estimated quotient. So we will divide the numbers. So 10 will go away. 400 divided by 2, that is, you will have it as 200. Okay. Let's see one more question, that is 7913. This when you have to round off to the nearest thousands, 3 zeros, and condition is satisfied. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Now 19 you have to round off to the nearest tens. So here 10, condition is satisfied. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and you have to go for the division part, that is 10 will go away. 800 divided by 2, that is, you will have it as 400. Okay, I hope it's clear. Thank you.